Good morning, students. In the last video, we have seen different kinds of nouns. Okay, definition of noun and its different types. Okay, in this video, we will see how the singular nouns are converted into the plural noun. Okay, and how they are classified. Okay, so let's start. A noun may be either singular or plural. Okay. There are various ways in which these plurals are formed. So, nouns may be singular or plural. Okay. And there are various ways in which the singular noun is formed as a plural noun. Okay. So, here are some examples of singular and plural nouns. Okay, we will see that, and then we will see the difference. Okay, from singular and plural nouns. So first is pen, and its plural form is pens. Second is key, keys. Potato, potatoes. Baby, babies. Box, boxes. Knife, knives. So here you can see different nouns, singular nouns and its plural forms. So each method of converting singular to plural is different. Okay, you can see here only yes is added to the singular noun to convert it into plural. Here also only yes is added. But in the case of potato and babies, only yes is not added. Okay, so there is a different process for every noun, okay, to convert it into plural noun. Okay, so here what is added to the potato? Yes is added, okay, to its plural form. And here baby is a singular form and its plural form is babies, means y is converted into I and es is added. So these different forms, okay, plural forms are converted with the help of some rules. Okay, we will see that. Now see here what is the singular form? Box, and its plural form is boxes, means here also es is added. And here singular form is knife and plural form is knives, means here fe, okay, it's converted into VES. So we will see all such examples and different rules, okay, for converting singular to plural. Okay, we will see that one by one. So here we will see. So in all there are 5 rules, okay, to form a plural form from a singular noun. We will see that one by one. There are some rules for forming the plurals of singular nouns. Okay. So we will see first rule. As a general rule, the plural of a noun is formed by adding yes to its singular form. Okay, students, you have to write down it, okay, in your notebook. Okay, these rules and different plural forms of a singular nouns. Okay, write down. So as a general rule, how we convert singular noun into plural noun? We just add yes, okay, at its end, so that it gets converted into plural form. Okay, so this is the first very simple rule. Okay, so here say examples. First example is apple. So here what is added? Only yes is added. Apples. So when we want one apple, then what we use word apple, and When we want more than one apple, okay, 2, 3 or 4 apples, then what we use? Apples. Okay, give me 4 apples or 3 apples. So here only yes is added. Okay. Book, books. Okay, here is also for one book we use book, and for 2 books we add only yes to its singular form. Third is tree, trees. So here also only yes is added to make it plural. Okay, so the first rule is simple. Okay, whenever we want to want plural form of a singular noun, okay, then we just add yes at its ends to convert it into the plural form. Now see rule number 2. When a singular noun ends in s, x, z, double s, ch, sh, add es to make its plural form. So students, you have to just remember these rules. Okay, and according to these rules you have to convert the singular into plural noun. So here what is second rule? If the singular noun ends with the letters such as s, x, z, double s, ch, sh, then just add es to make its plural form. Okay, we will see that by examples. So for single bus we use bus, and for two or three buses we use buses, means its plural form. Okay, so here the word ends with yes. What rule says? If the word ends with yes, then add es to it. When the word ends with ch, here what is word? Bench. So for converting it to the plural, what we add? There is a ch in the last. That's why we add es to the original singular noun. Okay. Here what is the word? Box. So it comes under this rule. Okay. What it ends with x. That's why we add es to it. Okay. The fourth word is class. Okay. So class is singular, but when we want to use it in plural, then the class ends with double s. That's why also we add only es at its ends. Classes. So singular form is class and plural form of this noun is classes. Okay. Now we see next example. It is buzz. Okay. So here it ends with z. Okay. Z. That's why we add es. Okay. And the last example is brush. So here brush ends with sh. That's why we add es to it. So you got it, students, that we have to follow some rules, okay, to convert a singular noun to plural noun. Okay, so you have to remember these rules. Okay, whenever you see some singular noun, okay, then you have to compare that with these rules. Okay, and according to these rules you have to convert that to plural. Okay, so you understood these two rules. Okay, now let's see third rule. If a single if a singular noun ending in y is preceded by a vowel, okay, then add yes to form the plural. Okay, so which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so if any word is having y at its end, okay, and it is preceded by a vowel, means a, e, I, o, u. So if that word is having y at its end and it is preceded by a, e, I, o, u, okay, then what we have to do, we just add yes at its end, okay, to form the plural. So see the examples. Here example is day, okay. So in this word it ends with y and it is preceded by a, means it is a vowel. That's why to convert it into plural we just have to add yes at its end, okay. Second word is key. So here also the word is ending with y and it is preceded by e, vowel. That's why we just add yes at its end to convert it into plural. Here the third word is toy, okay. It is ending with y and it is preceded by vowel o. That's why we just add yes to convert it into plural, okay. And the second rule in that is, if a singular noun ending in y is preceded by a consonant, vowel changes the y to I and es. Add es. Okay, that means in the first rule what we have seen, that the singular noun ending with y and preceded by a vowel. Okay, but here the second rule says that if the singular noun is ending with y and is preceded by a consonant, okay, then what we have to do, change y to I, okay, and then add es, okay. So these are very different rules, okay, these two rules. Which thing is common in that the word is ending with y, but depending on its preceding letter, okay, its plural form is changed, okay. So here what we just add yes, and here we have to add we have to convert y to I, and then we have to add es to that. So let's see examples. Here is the first example, baby. So here this word is ending with y, okay, and preceded by consonant b, okay. So there are only 5 vowels in English language, okay, a, e, I, o and u. So all the remaining consonant, okay, are consonants, okay. So here it is ending with y and preceded by consonant b. That's why what we have to do, just change y to I and add es to its plural form, okay. You got it. The second word is fly. So here this word is ending with y, so convert it to I, and it is preceded by consonant, that's why add es. So these are some simple rules, but you have to take that into consideration, okay, remember that, okay. So that whenever you convert some singular nouns to plural nouns, then make use of these rules, okay. Now let's see the fourth rule, okay. When a singular noun ends in f or fe, the plurals are formed by changing f or fe to v and adding es to it, okay. So now we have seen, okay, a simple noun, okay. For that we add yes. When singular noun ends with these letters, okay, s, x, z, double s, ch, sh, then add es to it. it is ending with y and followed by vowels, then add only s to it. And when it is ending with y and preceded by a consonant, then add ies to it. So what is fourth rule is telling to us that when a singular noun ends in f or fe, okay, then for its plural form are formed by changing f or fe to v and adding es to it. So here what is the word life? It is ending with fe. Okay. So we have to just change fe to v and add es to it. Here also leaf, it is ending with f. That's why we have to convert it f into e and add es to it. So you have understood, these are some simple rules. You have to by heart that, okay, or remember that, okay. So but there are some exceptions, okay, means you have to just remember that, okay. Till now we have understood, okay, we have learned 4 rules, okay, about converting singular noun to plural noun. But there are some exceptions, okay, where these rules doesn't follow, okay. So we will see that exceptions, okay. Which are they? Safe, okay. So here is word safe, it is ending with fe, but according to our rule, what we have to do, we have to just replace fe with v and add es, but here it is not done, okay. You can see here singular form is safe, but plural form is not saves, it is saves, okay. The second word is grief, so here it is ending with f, okay, but its plural form is grief as it is, okay, it is not changed. Third is roof, it is also ending with f, it comes under the rule number 4, but not it is converted into f is replaced by v, or es is not added to it. What is its plural form? Roofs. So these all are exceptions, okay. You have to just remember that, okay. All these rules doesn't obeyed in these conversions, okay. Dwarf, dwarfs. Belief, beliefs. So here also this comes under the 4th rule, but these are the exceptions, okay. Staff, staff, okay, there is no change in the word. Cafe, cafes. Chief, chiefs, okay. Giraffe, giraffes, okay. So these are some examples of exceptions, okay, of singular to plural, means these all rules are not obeyed in this case, okay. Now we will see rule number 5, okay. If the singular noun that ends with an o, okay, is preceded by a vowel, add yes for the plural, okay. So if any singular noun that is ending with o, okay, and preceded by a vowel a, e, I, o, u, then what we do, just add yes for the plural, okay. So here see the example, okay. Radio, okay, so it is ending with a and followed by vowel I. So what we have done, we have just added yes to it, okay. Second is zoo, it is also ending with o and followed by vowel o, that's why we just added yes to its plural form. So these are simple rules, okay. Now in that second rule is, if the singular noun ending with an o is preceded by a consonant, add es for the plural, okay. So here we have seen it is ending with O and preceded by vowel. And what is second rule? If it is ending with O and preceded by consonant, means other than A, E, I, O, U, then what we have to do? We have to just add ES for the plural. So here's the examples. Potato. So here the word is ending with O, but it is preceded by T. Okay, so we have to just add ES at its end, okay, to make it plural. Second word is mango. Okay, so here it is ending with A, O, and preceded by G. Okay, so we have to just add ES to it to make it plural. Okay, so students, these are some simple rules. Okay, you have to follow that, okay, while converting the singular noun into a plural noun. So there are some exceptions to the fifth rule also. Okay, so we see that. First is auto. So it comes under the fifth rule. Okay, auto means it is ending with A and preceded by a consonant. So what our rule says that just add es to it, but in actual, what is its plural form? Autos. Okay, so these are exceptions. Second is photo. So here also it is ending with O and preceded by a consonant T. So what we should do? We should add es to it, but that is not the case. Okay, here only yes is added to make it plural. Okay, third example is piano. So here it is ending with O and preceded by consonant N, but we have just added yes to make it plural. Here the last example is 0. So here it is ending with O and having preceded by a consonant, but for converting it into plural, we just add yes to it. According to rule, we have to add es, but it is not done in this case. Okay, we have just added yes. So these are some exceptions. Okay, so students, these are some simple rules. Okay, you have to follow while converting the singular to plural. Okay, I think you have got this. Okay, if you have any doubts, then ask me. Okay, so this is the video about converting a singular noun to the plural noun. Okay, thank you.